driving for miles. Why'd you try to escape out the door? Doing 100 on the highway. You're like an animal, don't know your consequences. Oh.
Hi guys, so this is the UNA Performance ST150. Now UNA is a company from a friend of mine who builds turbo kits for various cars. So this kit in particular is £2,300. Now what you get with that, we've got a Subaru TD4 IHI roller bearing turbo, we've got the intercooler, the piping, the intake, the manifold, the downpipe, map sensors, boost gauge, everything you need to take that to 240 horsepower. Now it will go to around about 300, over 300 if you built the engine, but I mean 240 horsepower in that is going to be enough. Anyway, here's Aidan, and Aidan's going to tell us exactly the specs of his car, and then we're going to take it out for a little joyride, and Aidan can tell me what the difference is.
What's happening, guys? So I have the standard ST150 over here, which this is going to put to shame in a couple of minutes. So obviously it's 150 brake, or 148 if you go off the stock specs. That's got an intake, so similar to this, but obviously this is feeding a rather large turbo compared to mine. Stock manifold, everything else is completely stock. The only things that we've done on here is a TRC low line splitter kit, and also the wind deflectors, so no performance mods. So we're going to see a massive difference in torque, brake horsepower, and also throttle response, because with a turbo it's probably going to be a little bit more laggy, but then as soon as you hit peak boost you're going to be off like a rocket ship. So yeah, I'm really excited to see what the difference is, and hopefully
we can get him screaming. Yes guys, so this is the ST Turbo. I've got Aidan from DK Tuning here, who's probably going to want one of these kits after it.
Yeah, probably.
Let's see what this bad boy's about. Oh, nice little turbo noises.
Oh, god damn it, I kind of want one already.
Yeah,
I've not even gone nowhere.
So straight away, it's a lot perkier than yours, like,
yeah,
even low down. So yeah, so David from UNA Performance, he does loads of different turbo kits for, I mean, he's predominantly Ford at the moment. He's going to stretch out to other cars. Lovely.
Feels nice already. Mad.
It's got a bit of pull.
It does. Jeez.
Yeah, she's definitely quick.
Yeah, she is. It's quick.
Warpage on them brakes.
Yeah.
Oh, she's spinning.
Jesus. She's quick. She is quick.
actually a mechanic. He used to saw his brakes on because they're terrible.
Yeah.
I feel like I've got milk bottle fucking lids on at the moment.
Bit of plastic scraping against that metal disc. Really has got that top end poke, hasn't it?
Yeah, it has.
Doesn't seem to be no lag either, guys.
It's nice and linear as well. It's
Yeah.
It's not just charging in and then dying off. It's
Yeah, it's very early power, isn't it?
It's quite there all the way through the revs. The sounds on this though.
Yeah. Just hear it winding up.
Yeah. Nice, isn't it?
Straight on it. Jesus. Sounds so nice as well. These engines sound incredible. Really does handle the power well, doesn't it?
It does.
Third.
Just doesn't brake well. Hey look, he's shaking like a shitting dog, the steering wheel.
Come on, Dave. Big up them brake games.
Spin up, there goes the stereo. We were warned about that.
We were told about that, yeah. Mate, yeah, that's massive difference. Holy mad! Straight on it as well, isn't it? Purely straight back on it as soon as you hit the pedal. God, them brakes are sketchy, innit?
Terrible.
Jesus.
Yeah, it's a lot more, like feeling wise, it's really deceiving.
Yeah.
It doesn't feel like you're going as fast as you are.
Yeah, it really doesn't, because obviously when you have like a turbo car, because this is naturally aspirating the turbo that we got on it, there's not much lag, so it feels almost like a supercharger, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Without the noise, you just get that nice turbo flutter.
If I put my foot down, tiny bit of lag there.
Yeah, a little bit, but you're right in.
Yeah. Value for money.
Yeah, look at that. Jesus Christ. That is immense.
I mean, regardless of the speed,
Yeah.
you just get this for the sound, wouldn't you?
Yeah, exactly. I really feel like this could be the difference in decision of whether to get rid of my car or not, because
Yes.
I was just lacking the power and it had just turned me off the car. Yet this seems to redeem the old ST150's qualities, really.
Definitely. And again, it really is deceiving.
Yeah,
How much
it is.
it's
It's
pulling.
just, it doesn't feel like it's slamming the power on, does it? And you can just see the clock go well up,
Yeah.
and extremely fast at that. You got a lot of feel in the car as well, isn't it? It doesn't feel like it's, you know, is there a lot of torque steer there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, that was shifting that then.
It is absolutely insane compared to my car.
It's just alive, isn't it?
Yeah. I definitely think this is what they should have come out like at factory. But for 2,300, what an absolute bargain. Actual bargain.
So yeah, guys, so if you fancy one of these, I'll put a link in the description. UNA Performance. I mean, it's
Good
worth
copy.
it just for these noises.
Yeah. Absolutely incredible. What a
novelty.